Alright, y'all. Hey, look, I'm real excited right now because it's going down. I'm releasing it. I'm calling. I opened the floodgate. The dog's out on y'all ass. I opened the gate.
And now, this is truly the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time!
Bitch, nigga. Hey,
Bruh, y'all hear this shit? I can't even play.
Grow the fuck up, bitch ass nigga. Shut up, nigga. Ain't about nothing, nigga. All that shit is talk, nigga. All that shit is talk, nigga. Shut up, boy. Shut up, nigga. I'm complaining about the game we playing, you bitch ass nigga. Stop crying, nigga. Stop crying, like I said.
Alright, enough of that.
And your whole family got stepping so
Hey, good game, sick man. Good game,
bro,
sick man.
bitch ass nigga. Fuck your mama, fuck your granddaddy, fuck your sister, your uncle, cousins, nigga. Fuck all your dead homies, nigga. Fuck all them, nigga. Goofy ass, bitch ass nigga.
This nigga said, hold up. This nigga said, fuck all your dead homies, nigga. Oh yeah, that video, it's ready, it's processed. It's processed, ready to go. Hold on. This nigga said, he said, fuck all your homies, your dead homies, your granny, nigga. And it was mad. Hey, the 2K life is real, y'all boys.
I just want a kingdom for my queen. That's you, baby. I just want a kingdom for my queen, a castle for my team, money for the babies, college fund, flat out flexing on a one-on-one. Can't believe it's time, I'm finally getting mine. On a cloud, living on a high, blow the clouds rolling, ooh, I got so much on my shoulders, man, there's so much on my heart. Gotta keep my shit together or I might just fall apart. What I'm writing is my story, tappy tap turn into art. I ain't focused on the end and I'm just glad I got the start. Looking at a new beginning, now my life is living better. I ain't even got no money, but got reasons to keep my head up. Living in the same hood as when I started this endeavor. Bitch, I'm staying in the heat because a nigga love the weather. I still dream about the money, now it's easier to reach it. I'm still grabbing at the back cause Lord knows that I need it. Cutting rocky ties, throw them niggas off of a heat. I want silent partners, heavy fucking nature on the ski. I just want a kingdom for my queen, a castle for my team, money for the babies, college fund, flat out flexing on a one-on-one. Can't believe it's time, I'm finally getting mine. On a cloud, living on a high, blow the clouds roll. I'ma need a horse audition so I can replace him. Nigga, them Nancy's handling answers, I can't seem to shake them. A lot of bigger problems didn't address them, they were made slim. Niggas really think cause they helped that they made him. Just cause I draw a tree on a boot don't mean I made him. Just cause I step on the scale don't mean I really waiting. Just cause you got an opinion don't mean you should wait. Kingdom for my queen, a castle for my team, money for the babies, college fund, flat out flexing on a one-on-one. Can't believe it's time, I'm finally getting mine. On a cloud, living on a high, blow the clouds rolling, ooh, I just want a kingdom for my queen. That's you, baby. I just want a kingdom for my queen, a castle for my team, money for the babies, college fund. one that's on it.
Greatness is upon you. You better act like it.